Hey you, it's Jess here, and we are doing my March kit lineup. We're gonna start with the February 27th to the 5th because I feel like most of that week is in March, so I'm gonna include it. But I am using the older kit, Control-Alt-Delete. I think it's just so pretty, and I've been wanting to use both Control-Alt-Delete and Dead Inside again this year, and I had them in my collection, so yeah, I'm gonna use this. I just think it's so cute, and I'm so pleased to use it again. And it does have this sort of mint blue green in it, but I don't really mind about that. My March isn't too green, to be honest, but this is a very old copy, so we've got, a fairly old version. At least we have two of these. It's gonna be sad because I too love those. Gonna be a challenge, to be honest, but I really love this kit, so I wanted to make use of it again. And I can't remember what I did last time. I think I just used Hollow or Sparkly Hollow or something, but this time I'm going to use a Lavender Hollow, and I'm going to use the Good Vibes Caress Press bundle, which is so cute. You got the butterflies, you got the peace signs, you got the cherries and the lightning bolts and flowers. I think that'd be really, really cute with this set. And I do love the Lavender Hollow with it. Look how cute. And then we just the usual pages, and then I've added in scripts from Scribble Prints Co that go with it because she released Lavender Hollow scripts. So that is what I have for the last week of Feb and the first week of March. Control-Alt-Delete. Then for the next week, I just decided I think it's going to be snowy this whole time because it has snowed again here at the end of Feb. So, but it's going to be cute in my planner. Anyway, but I decided to bring in this November mystery from Caress Press, which is channel surfing. Sorry if there was a weird cut, I could hear my neighbors talking, so you may have also. So I just waited for them to go, but yeah, I just thought this would be really cute. Just chilling at home, bringing in the bright colors kind of set. I'm not going to bring in the orange, but I do love the other colors. We do have a green in here. And yeah, I just think it's really cute, and I love the pizza and the bright. It's quite a little bit similar to Control-Alt-Delete, but in a different way. But it kind of still has that Y2K kind of feels. Although technically Control-Alt-Delete's supposed to be soft girl, because that came out way before the Y2K trend. And there's mochi donuts, which I think this week I want to get some mochi donuts to go with it. So that is the November mystery, and I'm going to bring in, and I believe the Lavender Hollow 4 that goes with Control-Alt-Delete came with this, but I'm going to bring in the Scribble Prints Co. This is the Y2K, the 8-year anniversary bundle foil in hollow. I just like the look of hollow in this, and it's similar but different. So you do have the butterflies, but you have little aliens and kisses and strawberries in there, and a bit more of a simple sparkle design for the glitter headers, and the daisy on the bottom. Super cute. And then I just have these the hole reinforcers, and I think I'm going to use the luxe pattern. I don't know. Just add a little bit of that luxe pattern in here because it's kind of reflected on in here. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to use for, I didn't say, March 6th to the 12th. Then, as I said, I'm using Control-Delete and Dead Inside this year, and I'm using them 1 week apart. This may seem random, and obviously it doesn't really go with the flow right now, but I don't really care. I wanted to use a kit for my cat's birthday, which is March 15th, and this is March 13th to 19th on the week. And I'm using Dead Inside because there's a little cat, and it's pretty much the only kit I have right now that has a cat in it, so I'm going to use it because it's cute. So yeah, this is dead inside. I didn't actually have, I must have bought this like from the last time she released it without any add-ons, because I got the Extra Girl freebie, but I didn't have any. I could have sworn I would have bought like a washi strip with it, but I didn't. But luckily I had a black one in my collection, so I brought that, paired that with it. And the last time that I did this kit, I used a mix of lavender hollow and hollow, like a mixed metal. And this time I'm going to use a sparkly hollow, just because I got this cat bottom washi from Planet Chocolate, and I thought it would be real cute this, just to bring out a bit more of the cat for Heidi's birthday. I have some leftover hole reinforcers from Planet Choco. I've got some icons in sparkly hollow from Scribble Prints Co, just to add a bit extra to this selection. And then I've got, I think this is an old confetti bundle, and it's in a chunky pixie hollow, so it's a chunkier version. You'll be able to see it, like, kind of see how chunky it is there. Yeah, it's super chunky, but I really like it. So obviously I'm going to be using the bottom washi, but everything else seems simple enough, and there wasn't too much else I wanted to pair with it. So that will be March, the week of Heidi's birthday. And then we have March 20th through the 26th. And this is when I'm going to use the February mystery of this year, which is the library one. I thought this would be a good transition from winter to spring, and still sort of that sort of melty season in the middle. Hopefully this will be when winter starts to subside, but we will see. But I thought this would be cute to be that sort of transition into April's going to be pretty bright and springy, so I'm just going to use the Shimmer Matte Bronze foil bundle that came with it, plus the book sheet extra that came with it. And then I've just added on for my collection hole reinforcers. I think I'm going to use the single line one, and I also brought in this toolbox as well to use that toolbox in the set. So that's what we're going to use for March 20th to the 26th. And then finally March 27th to April 2nd. I included this because this week is still mostly just March. So I'm using Teddy Bread. This is obviously, it's still got that green feeling, and I think it flows well from the library kit, and it's just a bit more bright and a bit more springy, so I thought this would be great to lead us into adorable April, which I've already got planned out. I just have to get all the kits in the mail, but it's going to be super pretty, a lot of pinks and purples, of course. So, but I do love Teddy Bread, and I wanted to make sure I used it. At first I was considering matte silver, but I had some overlays from other shops that I wanted to use, so that I only had in silver, so I'm going to use silver. I'm just going to use this sparkle bundle as my base. We love a sparkle bundle. It's just like super simple. And then I have the single line overlays, because I might want to use that for the double box and the I was considering a toolbox, but I might not actually use a toolbox. So I guess I'll just use this for the double box because I like the simple look. But if I decide then to use the toolbox, then I have that. And then I had this from Plan With Me stickers. I want to use iced coffee as my love language to bring in more of that spring. And also the coffee works with the bread, I think, because there is a coffee. And then I decided to bring in this bear stuff from Planet Chocolate from her, like, it was really a Valentine's Day thing, but look how cute, like the bears and with Teddy Bread. And then I'm going to use the bear headers from this sheet as well from Planet Choco. And I just think they'll be super cute and still like this Chinese silver. So that is my lineup for March. Let me zoom it out here because I think I put them together real cute. I don't know. It's I feel like the opposite way would have worked better with this. But this leads really well in from Valentine's Day. I don't know. It's just what it is this month. I don't think it has to flow, you know. It's just what I feel like on each week. And I think this will be great. And then, yeah, April, we've got some fun stuff in here, mostly like purples and blues. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, that's my March. Nothing crazy. I don't have any fun foils this month, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling any of my fun foils with any of these sets. And I wanted to bring in some extras, you know, just to beef up what I have. But I'm happy with the lineup. So if you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you're using in March. I'll be twinning possibly on these two kits, probably not on this stuff. But let me know otherwise. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.